There's a city where mountains touch the sky, where the sea sparkles against golden sands, and where every sunrise feels like a promise. This is Rio de Janeiro. At the heart of it all, towering above the city, stands Christ the Redeemer. Arms outstretched, he welcomes everyone with a silent embrace, watching over millions. Up close, the statue's scale is humbling, and from its feet I see the whole city spread out, bathed in sunlight and hope. Turn your gaze to Sugarloaf Mountain, a giant rock rising straight from the bay. The cable car glides softly through the air, boats drifting on Guanabara Bay, the buzz of life, and the endless horizon. Up here, the world feels peaceful, painted in blues and greens. Down at sea level, Copacabana and Ipanema beaches stretch endlessly. The sand is warm beneath my feet, the waves playful and inviting. Here, people gather, singing, laughing, sharing stories. Life moves with the rhythm of the tide, and every sunset is a celebration. Beyond the city's edge, Tijuca National Park calls to me. It's the world's largest urban rainforest, alive with birdsong, tangled green. It's amazing. In this wild heart of Rio, nature and city are never far apart. Back in town, there's a different kind of beauty, the kind crafted by human hands. In Santa Teresa, cobbled streets twist past colorful houses, each with a story. Art spills from every corner. Music drifts from open windows. I wander beneath the famous Lapa arches, feeling the pulse of old Rio in every stone. And at day's end, I climb to Arpoador. The sun dips low, painting the sky in gold and rose. People gather on the rocks, drawn together by the promise of something magical. The city glows, the ocean sighs. For a moment, time stands still. In Rio de Janeiro, nature and culture dance together. Mountain and sea, forest and city, tradition and tomorrow. It's a place where every glance is a postcard, every heartbeat a melody. I invite you to discover this city for yourself, to climb its peaks, to walk its beaches, to lose yourself in its beauty. Because in Rio, the world feels a little closer to the sky. This is Rio de Janeiro, where wonder never ends.